Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Google AI or Google Bot on your PC, right, without necessarily having to go to the website each time you want to access the limitless opportunities that generative AI has to offer. So without further ado, let me take you to my PC and show you how to do that.
Hello guys, so the long awaited video is here, right? So this is how you simply install Bard or Google AI on your laptop, right, as an app. So like before now I did how to install ChatGTP on your desktop app, and it got a lot of views, and people are saying I should just show them how to do that. So it's pretty easy, right? So the first thing that you have to do is just open your Chrome, right? So I've actually opened my Chrome, right? So when you open your Chrome now, you see if I go to my start, you can see currently added, see board, right? So board.google app. So what you do is that now go to board.google.com, then you click on the menu here and go to more tools, then click on create shortcut, right? So basically that's what we are going to be doing right now. If you create your shortcut, now it's going to bring this dialog box here. Now the name is board, just leave it like that, right? And click on create. And when you do that, you minimize the windows, you're going to see it here, right? So you have one, two, the one I created earlier. So when you create it like that, right, now you right click, then right click on it. So you right click on it and you click on pin to taskbar, right? So it's as easy as that. So you see that your border AI appears here, right? Now you can just click on it and get your favorite and ask your favorite Google AI the questions you love, or you go to your start button and you see recently added, right? You see here board one. If before now it was just board, right? So the one we just added here, it has been added here. So guys, so that's how you install your favorite, that's how you install board AI on your desktop, right? So I wish you all the amazing possibilities that is out there on generative AI. Love you, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video to an AI enthusiast or someone that this video will be helpful to. Love you. Till next time, stay relevant. Cheers.